In this video, we are going to talk specifically to employers. Did you know that the main problem with your employees is that they don't know how to live on what they have? And they feel that you're not paying them enough. So is it because you're not paying them enough, or are they living way outside their own lifestyle? So employers, let me know what company you work for. Let's promote you. Let's get some business there for you. Comment below where you're watching me from also, because I would love to give you a shout out for your company. And you know what? Put a link in there. I don't care. Let's promote, okay? But also, let's remember that without your employees, which are the heartbeat of your business, you can't survive. You need them. So let's show them a couple of things. First of all, we don't want to use the word budget. You never want to say to somebody, you need to budget better. No, they don't. They need to track their money better. Because when you track, you are doing it for an extended period of time. Budget is just like something you throw together, see if it sticks, like spaghetti on the wall or whatever. It doesn't work. Nobody wants to do it. Just like dieting. Nobody wants to do it. We all know that we have to do it. But when you change the philosophy of it and make it tracking, it changes the whole dynamic. It's like, ooh, tracking? Tell me more. I'll be happy to. So we're tracking. What we're going to do is we're going to teach them how to take their money on a monthly basis or every paycheck, depending on when they get paid, how to break it up so then that way they can pay all their monthly bills, their pet and child care. Because, if you don't have children, you usually have pets, right? Most of the time. I love pets, by the way. Send me a picture. Post a picture of your pet. I would love that. Or the kids. That's okay. I love it. So, monthly bills, pet care, auto, or if you're hoofing it and you're taking the train and, the bus, transportation, whatever it is. So in this book, the tracking system, it will go over absolutely everything for you. Now, what you want to do is you want to be able to let your employees know that, hey, I love you so much and I care about you and I can't make this business work without you. I am giving you this. Teach them how to use it. Actually, the whole book is self-explanatory. But when you have a workshop and you have me come in and explain to the employees how to do this, we don't need to pay $1,000 for a phone. And you don't need to make payments on it for 24 months and an interest rate. Seriously? You don't need it. You really don't. You can get cheaper phones. I pay cash for my phone all the time. I get a $300 to $400 phone because it's been 4 or 5 years usually, and it works fine. I have the cheapest cell phone plan, and it works fantastic. I've been with Metro PCS, I've been with Cricket, and I've been doing my business for a very, very long time. Over 30 years. And what I found is you don't have to pay all this exorbitant amount of money to get what you want, because that's craziness. You don't need to do it. And especially now with so much craziness going on, we really need to learn how to track every single penny, right? It's important. You have to do it. And when you show your employees that, listen, I'm willing to work with you. You work your butts off for me. Let me work my butt off for you. Let's do a workshop. This is something that they can watch. It's really, really quick. All they have to do is download it, or they do a Zoom. It can be a quick half hour. It can be 45 minutes. No more than 45 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about tracking. Then they get the manual, and then they are on their own. We need to open them up to the possibility of tracking and living on the salary that they get. It's okay to be open to your employees. Let them know that you are human too. Because when it comes right down to us, We're all the same. Take off our clothes, strip away our titles, and guess what? We're still human. So we got to do it, okay? Now, Sheila Money Doctor here. I'm here to help you. I'm here to show you the best way to keep your happy employees happier and want them to work for you, because you took the time to have me come in, do a workshop for you, teach them how to track their money, so then that way they're not complaining, they're not getting a good salary. Show them that you are putting your money in their hands to make them successful. It's something that they will stay with you, and even if they don't stay with you, you are setting them up to be successful. Isn't that what you want? You just don't want your company to be successful, but your company is your employees. And when you make your employees successful, you're successful. Happy employees are going to screech out loud how great an employer you are. And that's what you want. And that's what I'm here to show you. So drop a comment below. Let me know what company you're watching from. Put your link in there. Let's promote you. Tell me where you're contacting from. And I would love to comment back and see your business.